Hi, this is Tom with Everything E-Bike. Today we're taking a close look at the Ride1Up Portola. Priced at just $995, this e-bike promises a lot at its cost. Could this be the best choice under $1,000 for first-time buyers, returning cyclists, or senior riders? We're here to uncover the truth. Join us as we delve into what makes the Ride1Up Portola so promising.
The delivery and assembly process was impressively straightforward. Out of the box, the Portola can be assembled in under 15 minutes. It's remarkably user-friendly, requiring just 3 of the supplied hex key wrenches. No need for additional tools. There's no complicated tire installation or brake adjustments needed. Ride1Up's attention to detail shines through here, as they provide not only excellent instructions, but also an easy-to-follow assembly video. This takes the guesswork out of the process, making it accessible for even those not mechanically inclined. As for the bike itself, the Portola's design is immediately striking. Available in gloss charcoal, sea turquoise, and matte indigo, each color adds its own unique flair. Our sea turquoise model here is particularly appealing. The low step-through frame makes getting on the bike a breeze, and the frame geometry feels just right, offering a comfortable and stable ride. It's perfect for those who might find larger fat tire e-bikes a bit too intimidating. Now that we've seen the Portola in action, let's dive deeper into what sets this e-bike apart from the competition. It's not just the appealing design and the ease of assembly that makes the Portola stand out. It's also about performance and the thoughtful features that Ride1Up has packed into this affordable model. First up, the motor. The Portola is equipped with a powerful 750-watt rear hub motor, giving you the ability to reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. This makes an excellent choice for both city commutes and leisurely rides on bike paths. Battery life is another highlight. With a 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour standard battery, you can expect up to 30 to 50 miles on a standard charge, depending on the mode and terrain. And for those looking for even longer rides, there's an option to upgrade to a higher capacity battery. Ride comfort is enhanced by the inclusion of front suspension and the 20 by 3 inch tires, which provide a smooth ride over bumps and uneven surfaces. Plus, the step-through design isn't just about easy access. It contributes to the bike's stable handling, especially in urban environments. And let's not forget the safety features, which are a standout aspect of the Portola. First, the integrated front and rear lights, essential for visibility during early morning rides and evening commutes. What's truly remarkable at this price point is the inclusion of hydraulic disc brakes coupled with 180mm rotors. Finding hydraulic brakes on an e-bike priced below $1,000 is a rarity, and it significantly enhances the stopping power and safety of the Portola. Equally impressive is the 2.2-inch LCD display, a KD21C, that keeps you informed about your speed, battery level, and distance traveled. It also allows you to customize the pedal assist levels to your liking. It's one of the best displays on the market, offering clarity and control at your fingertips. The Portola's smooth riding experience is partly thanks to the Shimano Altus 8-speed shifter and derailleur. Renowned for reliability, this gearing system ensures effortless shifts for any terrain. It's premium features like these that set the Portola apart in its class, delivering top-notch performance and value. Rounding off the Portola's impressive list of features is its welded rear rack, rated up to 130 pounds, making it capable of carrying both passengers and cargo with ease. What's more, the Connect Plus system introduces an innovative way to enhance your e-bike's utility, with snap-in options for added accessories like a basket, passenger seat, and a pannier clip. Customizing your ride for different needs is simpler than ever. One of the Portola's most practical features is its ability to fold. This design is ideal for those needing to maximize space and enjoy the flexibility of taking our bike on the go. Not only does this folding feature make the Portola a great option for urban living where space can be at a premium, but it also weighs in at just 60 pounds. This makes the Portola lighter than many e-bikes, balancing portability with robust performance. And here's the Portola, comfortably fitting into the trunk of a Toyota Corolla. Whether you're heading to a cycling trail further from home or you need to keep your e-bike in your vehicle for part of your commute, the Portola's design accommodates your lifestyle with ease. The question remains, is the Ride1Up Portola the best e-bike you can get for under $1,000? Considering its impressive range, user-friendly folding design, hydraulic brakes, and overall comfort, it certainly makes a strong case. The e-bike offers quality construction and features often found on more expensive models. It's an excellent choice not only for first-time buyers, but also for returning cyclists and seniors looking for reliability and ease of use. The Portola isn't just a budget e-bike, it's a top contender in its price bracket, offering value that challenges the competition.
That brings us to the end of our review of the Ride1Up Portola. If you're considering getting one, check out the link in the description below to learn more. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us to continue to provide content like this. If you found this review informative, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to Everything E-Bike for more e-bike reviews, tips, and adventures. We love hearing your thoughts and questions, so feel free to leave them in the comments. And until next time, keep on riding.